What you doing?
Well, we are tackling a little home project today.
Our dishwasher's crap.
Yeah, kind of.
Look at how gross it is.
Oh yeah, your mom was gonna have an aneurysm.
Look at that. It's old and plastic and disgusting.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing this old cruddy dishwasher. So we've been doing some research and planning out a kitchen remodel, and one of the things we've discovered is that buying secondhand appliances is a great way to save crazy amounts of money and not have to deal with like a year-long wait time. We browsed around a little bit on our local classifieds and found some people selling a couple dishwashers that were apparently too old for them, and they were exactly the dishwasher we were looking for. Don't look at me like that.
What is the plan?
We're still a ways out on starting the main kitchen remodel, but since it's a dishwasher and they're all the same size anyway, I'm going to go ahead and rip out our old one and install the new one so we can use it until we go ahead and do the demo work for the main remodel. So anyway, let's get this old piece of crap ripped out. I assume we take off this. See how much plumber's crack I can show?
Oh, we can't even see your butt in the shot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know. All of his crinkle toys.
How did those get under there, buddy? I didn't know that stuff could get back there. Huh.
He loves these frickin' things.
I'll be darned. No, bud. Oh, smile for the camera, though, because you're cute.
He's like, what you doing? Well, that was easy.
That is way too early to say that.
I mean, just to unhook it.
Oh, the water's turned off.
That's good.
Is this bastard hardwired in?
No, I wouldn't be surprised.
You want to go flip the breaker downstairs?
Yeah, let me see if I can find the right one.
Just, you know, before I shock myself.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to find out if these are alive still.
They're not.
I know.
Booty. Buddy. You got a good place for a kitty to be.
Well, if it was live, that would have been exciting by now, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, they just hardwired it, didn't they?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
That seems like a reasonable thing to do.
It'll make putting the junction box in really easy, though.
Take that off. Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
Come on. Nope. No kitty's in there. So the next thing to sort out is how to install this power cable. So we got this piece here, and it goes in this box here, and it clamps the wire down so that it can't move on us. Now, I'm sure there's a correct tool for how to tighten this stupid thing, but I use the smack it with a screwdriver at an angle and snug it up method. Strip these back. These come in here and screw down on the terminals. Alrighty, so as you can see here, I've got all three of these screwed in. They're all secured. This is all strain relief properly. So now I'm going to go ahead and mount it to the inside wall of the cabinet cavity. That's not the most ideal placement in the world, but it's not on the ground, so if any water leaks, it won't get on it. It's out of the way enough, it should be okay. So, oh, I'm an idiot. I suppose I have to actually go turn the breaker on. Well, comes on. It's got lights. Cool. Let's go ahead and get the water line hooked up. I take that back. We need to detach the old drain line. Looks like the ends of the two hoses are a little bit different. How do I adapt this hose to the other sides?
What are you getting a dishwasher? Yeah? Is it interesting? No? You don't care? Okay. So what are you gonna do?
Well, we're gonna try cutting this hose. Seeing if we can make it work. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up this old fitting and make sure it's super, super clean. Same thing with the hose, and we're gonna shove this on here with some silicone for like making gaskets. Hello, Tubbins.
Give a little butt in the shot.
Anyway, we're gonna silicone it up and put a hose clamp on it and see if that will adapt to the disposal. Here's hoping it works.
Did you lose it? You've had it back for how long? You already lost it?
Mistakes were made.
It's okay, when we were bringing the dishwasher in and I was trying to talk, I got the padding in my mouth.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just smear a little bit of this all over this tube.
Little smearing.
Little smearing action. You can call me edge smearing. Just get this all up in there. This stuff is like automotive glitter. It gets everywhere. I take that back. Anti-seize is the glitter of automotive products.
John's working, I'm just playing with the cat.
Yeah, basically. That sounds about right.
Except for, whenever I'm actually cooking or cleaning and John's playing with the cat.
When's that again?
Earlier today?
Oh, okay. Now, theoretically, I should use the correct size of cable clamp, but this is the size I have, and therefore that's the size I'm going to use. I don't know why I'm doing this part.
I was about to ask if you wanted me to do this part. It's kind of my primary purpose is to do small people things. That's right.
Okay.
We should probably learn how to use our dishwasher now. Can you even hear it?
Seems to be doing its thing. Not every day I can film a video over top of the dishwasher, right? Well, cool.
Let's load it up. Do some dishes.
Sure.
I'll record.
Oh, well, I see how it is.
No, I'm kidding. Should we look at the loading guidelines they give in the instruction manual?
What the fuck, I need an instruction manual?
No. No, you do not.
Whoa. Huh.
We very clearly have never had a nice dishwasher. I don't know how it works.
Instructions unclear.
I mean, we could look at the instructions.
Nope, not possible.
I'm looking at the instructions.
Nope, don't do it.
I'm looking.
Nope. Hey, it's doing something. Well, I think we did it. It says it's going. There's a light on, so it must be working. Well, that's pretty much the install. As you can see, it went in fairly smoothly. Only took one trip to Home Depot, and I actually need to return the only thing I got from there. Hope you found the video at least useful. I don't know if it was very entertaining, but on the plus side, we got a new dishwasher. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Want to do it?
Excuse me.